are these?
I'm either meeting up with her in 5 minutes or going on the hunt for her in 5 minutes if she's lost.
Probably should have done a bit of research. That would have been handy. Now we're, I don't know, 600 and something metres above sea level somehow.
Now, let's jump straight back into where we left off in the last episode.
So the RAA came within the hour.
RACQ.
RACQ in Queensland. Yeah, within 45 minutes. We checked the battery, that was all fine, which we thought was fine anyway. Checked a couple other things. Came in, plugged his computer in the car, went to start it up just to see, and she started straight away. And like, he didn't do anything other than start it, so I don't know why it wouldn't start for us.
Yeah, hopefully this isn't a recurring thing. Hopefully this is a once off, but at least we know if we have any more problems, you know, 45 minutes.
Bring that guy up. Get him to come start it for us. Yeah, we can hit the road again.
Hike number 2 for the day. How are we going?
My legs are a bit sore from earlier. It's a steep climb, but it is what it is. Push through.
How good. We're only here for the day, so might as well. Let's get into it. Bridie's in the navvy seat.
Mitchell has activated his four-wheel drive shoes.
Those bad boys will get you anywhere. This hike wasn't supposed to have an incline, but it's under construction a part of it, so second hill for the day. Yay.
It's good for me, right?
Yeah.
To not be able to walk tomorrow. A little bit nervous, but I'm going to go down onto the beach and walk over to some caves, a few caves. Mitchell's going to walk back, get the car, and hopefully meet me around there.
Hopefully neither of us gets lost.
Yeah.
Well, I'm backing myself to not be the one that gets lost anyway.
Yeah, fair.
Good luck.
Thank you. You good luck.
Thank you.
Bye. As beautiful as beach is, one thing I didn't think about was after a hike and a bit, walking on sand. Silly decision, but we'll get there.
Right, well, I'm well on my way to go meet up with Bridie from when we parted ways. But yeah, I'm either meeting up with her in 5 minutes or going on the hunt for her in 5 minutes if she's lost.
I have finally made it to the end of the beach. It's a nice walk. Now I've got to find my way up and over this hill to get to the other side. Found the track, so let's go. Stop these rocks.
Yeah, one of the things we didn't really think about, obviously we had the car problems earlier today and whether the car would actually start or not, because that could be a bit of a spanner in the works, especially if she didn't have any reception where she was. I'm still not sold that there's not something wrong with the car, so
4 steps. And now we head down the other side.
my next challenge is going to be finding a park, because I think this is a little bit of a hot spot, so yeah, wish me luck with that.
I have made it to the second beach, and I believe Mitchell is heading this way, all the way down there. I hope that's him.
We're bush bashing now. We don't know where we're going, but hopefully we find some cool caves.
Yeah, I thought I was up to my last incline.
No, one more.
Well, then I gotta go down and then up and then back down and then up.
Yeah, but one more sounds nicer. Tell your legs it's only one more. This is pretty cool. Do the bum scooch if you need to.
It's the best trick in the book. Not a good idea to rely on trees.
Yeah. Do not trust trees. Or rocks, realistically. Don't trust them. What are these large corn kernels?
I'm guessing they're from that tree. Oh yeah, it's up there.
What on earth? Are they a seed? I guess they're a seed. Are they a fruit? I don't want to taste them. Anyone know? Are they just large corn kernels? Is that a large corn kernel tree? I don't think so.
Pretty bugging.
It's been a big day. Anyway, that's us for today. We'll just leave you with some squeaky feet noises.
We're just going for a drive in Booloumba Creek. Booloumba Creek. Not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, might be some river crossings. We'll see what else is there. So should be a waterfall at some stage.
We just did our first river crossing. High five.
Woohoo!
Nailed it.
Looks like another one coming up.
Nice. We're out of control.
Do you want to get out and check if it's deep?
Sort of actually, because I can't see this one, but I think this place is supposed to be pretty tame anyway. It didn't really work out that it'd be worthwhile for us staying here, but I think if we had a bit more time it would probably be a pretty awesome place to camp. The other thing is I'm a bit skeptical as to whether it would fit our van in, so we're kind of having a bit of a suss.
A bit deeper. So I'm about to do my first ever creek crossing. A little bit nervous. Comes about halfway up the tyre, I think. Mitchell looks nervous. Went a bit fast then. I did it, my first creek crossing.
Chook, 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 chook.
Camping here starts at $7.60 per night per person. I'd be very comfortable taking our van in here. Campsite 4 would be my pick for bigger vans.
We're in the Conondale National Park, just at a random lookout. Quick stop to work out where we're going.
The road to the Booloumba, however it's said, falls. The track was closed due to weather conditions. I've tried a couple of other different ways to get there. Probably should have done a bit of research. That would have been handy. Now we're, I don't know, 600 and something meters above sea level on top of some mountain. But I think we're on the right path to potentially come in from another way. But or we're just on an adventure.
Just keeps going up.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Well,
Just got to the other side to try and find the full waterfall the other way. Dang it!
no waterfalls today.
Let's drive back, I guess.
It's been another long day, but we are about 300 meters away from finally seeing a waterfall today. Not our intended waterfall, but a waterfall.
A waterfall. Better not leave you hanging.
We have to go pet some birds. Duck, 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 duck. You got two hands, you can pat two sheep.
Hi.
Is that good? Is that good, bud? Hey. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, nibbled on. Your feet have been blessed. You're a cute bird. Thank you. Hi.
I do.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, bird.
Bye. Oh, good afternoon. Today I'm doing something that I have been meaning to do for a little bit now, and just haven't had time. Installing these bad boys. Wheel hub temperature sensors, just marries up with the rest of the tyre monitoring system I've got. Yeah, super keen to see these in action, because I really reckon that sort of stuff could, the same with the tyre pressure monitoring as well, I reckon that's really going to save your butt one day, because those sorts of things tell you the early signs of, you know, wear and tear, or if there's an issue somewhere. Arrow, magnet, beep. Get them off. Sticker on. Simple as that. I'll give these a bit of a trial and, you know, maybe give a bit of an update and a bit of a review on how they perform and what they kind of tell us over the time. But like I said, I think these sorts of things are a great little bit of safety that's, you know, potentially could save someone's life, but definitely going to save your car, save you a lot of headache, you know, save your mechanical bills. One of my bearing covers is a little bit damaged on the other side, so I need to get another one before sticking that one on. But apart from that, very easy job, and yeah, stay tuned to see how well they look after us. It's all up and running now, so laughing. We've driven past this bad boy a few times over the last couple of days, and it's big. Well, it looked like it was big. It's big.
It's pretty big.
Driving over there, it didn't look like it was this big, but it's massive.
So it's a big pineapple.
It's a big pineapple, as you can see. 3, 2, 3. Out of big things, sometimes when you go see a big thing, it's not massively impressive because it's just slightly bigger than, you know, maybe twice the size, and that's cool. The big pineapple does impress. It is a big pineapple.
Good morning. Hopefully everyone's doing well today. Mitchell's a little extra chuffed today because where are we going?
We're going to the Bundy distillery.
The Bundy distillery. Mitchell loves Bundy. Personally, I think it's disgusting, but
Blasphemy.
I'll still go see the process. Still be cool. I guess I'll try some of the expensive stuff. Maybe that's drinkable. But yeah,
it's going to be amazing. I think you actually get to pat the actual Bundaberg bear as well, so what I've been told. But for anyone who has travelled up the sugarcane coast, I've got a sneaky suspicion you can actually smell this footage.
Mitchell patting the bear.
Good boy. Well done. You've done well here.
Ice, Bundy, splash of coal. Lines in red.
Have to go on the tour, are you excited? Sure. You're not allowed to come with us though, sorry.
It's banana and toffee flavoured. It's drinkable. Be quite nice on ice cream.
We went shopping. We're off to check out the Bundaberg soft drink factory now.
Yeah, gotta have something to mix the rum with, right?
Absolutely. What's that smell?
I'm not sure. I'm not very good at this.
Oh, that's sweet. Guava. Oh, mango. Now that I know that, it's very obviously mango. Tinaberries is a beautiful strawberry and macadamia farm, which is a lovely place to spend the afternoon. It has games, delicious snacks, and a beautiful bird called Shrimp, who, if we had read this sign beforehand, we may have been a bit more reserved with our fingers. Cosmo doesn't like scratches like this. We holding hands.
Hi.
Now we're just down at Elliot Heads.
Hopefully Mitchell still goes for a swim.
Haven't decided yet, haven't touched the water yet. It's pretty fresh out.
I'm not prepared.
It's yeah, but there's some pretty cool rock pools down there that we're gonna go check out anyway. Yeah.
lost in the desert. Mitchell's finding his way. Will we survive? Probably. The ending's just there.
Coming from South Australia, for me, when I go to the beach, if I see a dark patch just in the ocean, to me that's a sign of, oh, let's go over there and see what it is. It could be a ray, it could be a shark, it could be something big and exciting and some sort of marine animal that's awesome. With us travelling up the coast towards the top of Queensland, there's got to be a point where you don't actually go and investigate the big dark patches in the ocean, and I haven't figured out where that point is yet. I'm hoping there'll be signs to help me there. In this case, I found a cool little rock that I thought might have been a turtle, but it was definitely just a rock. As well, travelling up the coast, we are on a very, very important mission to find a wild coconut.
Mitchell's important mission.
I'm very excited to find a wild coconut.
I'd like to see a wild cassowary.
Yeah, that'd be cool too, I guess.
Probably scary, but pretty cool.
Coconut first, then cassowary?
Either or.
Either or.
Is that one over there? Just getting our hopes up.
Side mission for you people. Where do we find wild coconuts? Can anyone give us a secret wild coconut location? That would be amazing. And we will do our best to deliver the goods. I promise. While we explored Bundaberg and the surrounding areas, we set up camp here on this beautiful property for a few nights. I've just set up next to the fire and I've made a friend. That is the first cane toad of the trip. Bridie's just disappeared. As horrible as this thing is, I'm excited to show her my friend. I was getting around in bare feet before, but I've decided to put me thongs on for the fear of smushing a toad between my toes. I feel like that'd be a very gross sensation. That's all for today, guys. Tune in to next episode where we check out arguably one of Australia's best free campsites. Thanks for watching. What I didn't realise was Bridie hasn't actually driven with the caravan on before, and we're on a 4-wheel drive track.